Now I'm in Pennsylvania. That's the Free Bridge. Going there, you make a left, and then here's that. I just kind of wanted to show you there's a train coming, but this is the Pennsylvania boat landing. Train going by. I don't know how good this video is going to be. So, you know, this is where the shad tournament is usually. I don't know if you can leave your cars here or, well, right there that sign says, please practice catch and release. No alcohol beverages. So this is, it says no parking any time there. So I guess you're supposed to, I don't have a phone number or anything to give you, so I'm just kind of, this could be a pretty cool, just a little video, you know. Just a nice little video. This is it's like July, middle of July 2011. So the water's a little down. So we'll look at it, I guess, huh? I guess it would be nicer for you to tell me where to stop so you can just stare at the video for a little bit.